How to create a flyer in Picsart. Need to promote an event or product? Let's make a stunning flyer in Picsart. Start a new project and choose a canvas size. For print quality, pick a solid background or upload an image related to your event or brand. Use text to add headlines, details like date or time. Choose bold fonts for headings or clean fonts for body text. Incorporate stickers, icons, or your brand logo for visual flair. Use Save to group info clearly. Keep spacing balanced, and once it looks polished, click Export and save in high resolution for sharing or printing. What kind of flyer are you designing? Party, business, or promotion? Let me know in the comments below. Use hierarchy, big title at the top, important info next, and smaller text at the bottom. And that's how you can create a flyer in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.